Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. A quick little demo on the Traxxas Mini Maxx 2S. All stock, no modifications here at all. And please excuse my terrible GoPro cinematography on some of the larger jumps coming up later on in this video. I'm not good at GoPro for whatever reason. And it's also quite difficult to kind of judge where the camera should be. But I'll do better next time, I promise. Thanks for watching.
Well, so far this thing's a blast. It's so fun. It's a very small, tiny little guy, but this 2S brushless system is a good amount of power for me. For a car this size, it's pretty easy to control. Certainly feels pretty strong and has a lot of punch and can do all the things it's claimed to be able to do. It is a little squirrely because of the size, of course. Small wheelbase. But yeah, as a nice little like small scale basher, I'm not sure what else you would need. It's certainly for me. I don't think this is going to get any better on 3S. But let's take it over to the bike park and see if we can't get some jumps out of it, because you know, bashing is nice in this sort of area, but probably use a few jumps in here and see how it performs in the air. Here we are at the pump track. All right. Whoa. Whoa. So far everything sounds pretty good. No problems in there. Yeah, so far so good. I've been hitting some big jumps and some big crashes, and sounds fantastic still. No problems whatsoever. Let's hit some more. Yes, all right. Oh man, I love this thing. It's so small, but so good. Whee! And I will say it's quite cold today. So that's something to keep in mind. When it's as chilly as it is, plastic gets brittle, things can break, but so far so good. Now, I would not say that these are Mini Maxx sized obstacles by any means. These are pretty large, but it's taking it, and I haven't busted anything yet. Fantastic. Let's try to hit a few more of these larger ones again. Yes. Oh, it wants to flip. I know it does. Okay, something did happen. I lost the bead on one of the front tires. So that clearly wasn't glued strongly enough. Well, that's a huge fail. You know what though? If that's all that's happened so far, that's pretty good. All right, there you go. First breakage. As you can see, steering rod. Plastic steering rod, I might add. And it is very cold today, so I'm not really surprised by that. But driveline is completely intact and still working perfectly. Yeah, so not super surprised by that. But otherwise, driveline sounds great, looks great, no breakage there. I think we're gonna call this a win. And drive it back to the car in limp mode. So there you go, a quick little bash with the 2S Mini Maxx, which I gotta say is an absolute blast. I don't have any complaints in the durability department. I think it all really did well. Driveline sounds fantastic. It was taking some hard hits, let's not mince words, and it took that abuse, which I'm really happy with. Great runtime on the included battery. Yeah, like half an hour probably, which is tons of bashing, which is really nice. I guess the tire losing its bead was a thing, but all in all, I think that's a really excellent case for how great the 2S Mini Maxx is. If you're looking to get started in this hobby, if you're looking to get something maybe for your kid or a nephew or niece, I think this is a great place to start, and proof positive, it'll handle some pretty crazy abuse. So it's a bit squirrely and it is a little hard to control, but I'm gonna chalk that up mainly to its size. I think that when you get into these small scale fast cars, I mean 30 miles per hour is plenty fast for this as well, I might add. Maybe this is a bit of a conspiracy and Traxxas sent me a beefed up one. Right. Okay, so I think that's gonna do it. If you have comments, questions, concerns, whatever you like, throw a comment down below. You know I love reading through your feedback and I try to answer as many of those as I can. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, you like some bashing content from the Scale Bashers Guild,
hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, ring that notification bell so you get updates anytime there's a new video from the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again to Traxxas for sending this my way, and thanks to you for watching. We'll see you again soon.